What's good, everybody? It's your boy bigalkicks, aka the UI General, and I'm back with another sneaker review. And today we have an unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn those post notifications on so you guys don't miss a beat. I don't want you guys missing anything or none of that. So today's unboxing comes from Nike. You can tell with the Just Feel It tape right here on the bottom of the box. You see that? Boom. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy knife. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. And this is the first video in the new spot. If you watch my last video, you see we're not in the old spot anymore. Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and get this thing out the box. Boom. Get this out of here. Don't need this anymore. And we have a Air Force One, man. This is an Air Force One. See the label right there. This is a silver box. And I'm gonna read the label. Air Force One 07. The color code is University Blue, white, and my size, a 9.5. And these retail for $90. As you can tell from the box, I picked these up from Nike.com. Easy pickup. Shout out to Soul Links. They gave me the notification. So I had to scoop them bad boys. Let's go ahead and open them up. Let's not waste no time. And whoa, man. Off the gate. These are clean. And I'm impressed. I am impressed. Wow. Fucking wow. Don't need the box no more. And man, put the turntable back up here so you guys can see these. Wow, man, get a good look at these. These are clean and they're leather. A pretty smooth leather, but they're leather, nonetheless. I love clean, general release colorways. But hey, I gotta hit you guys with that boom. Starting off, man, this shoe has a beautiful, beautiful University Blue smooth leather going around the whole sneaker. It has contrasting stitching that's light blue as well. A white midsole going around. Love it. Let's look at the outsole. You have a University Blue outsole. As you look in the medial side, you have a white swoosh, leather panels, and of course you have the two holes right here in the middle. On the outside of the shoe, you have another white swoosh with white stitching. And you have those other two perforated holes in the middle panel as well. So go back to the front of the shoe. As you move up, you see on the toe, you have the holes, the perforations for breathability, and a mini University Blue swoosh. University Blue laces, and a nylon tongue with a white nylon tag with Nike Air Force One right there on the tongue in University Blue. Let's look at the back of the sneaker. You have a white heel tab with the Nike Air in University Blue as well. And on the insole, you have a University Blue insole with white Nike Air. Dope, tight sneakers. These were unexpected. I seen these and you know I'm a sucker for University Blue. Gotta have it. Clean, clean, clean Air Force Ones. Guys, tell me in the comments, what do you think? is this a stunner or nah, man? In my opinion, these are fire. These are very reminiscent of the suede pair from 1998, except this time we have a leather pair with a nice white sock liner, which I think is tough. It's not the crinkly leather, but it's a good smooth leather. A nice clean pair of ones for a sunny day. Enough talk about this sneaker, y'all. Y'all know what we do around this time. Kicks get rocked every day around here, B. Come on, let's take these University blue Air Force Ones. Let's put these on feet and take these Air Force Ones to the street. See y'all guys in a sec. So we have these right here on feet right now. And the way they make the 07 Air Force Ones, I always go a half size down. I have a normal shaped foot. But my advice is if your foot is wide, please go a half size up. Know your size in Air Force Ones. I doubt you see this color anytime soon. I haven't seen it in any stores so far down here in North Carolina. Haven't seen these yet. They've just been popping up on the Nike website. So keep checking your websites and keep checking the urban accounts as well. You might run up on these. A nice, dope, clean colorway. Again, very reminiscent of the Air Force One SC with the suede on it from 1998. This is just the leather version technically, but it is close enough. These are a classic in my book and probably one of my favorite Air Force Ones other than the all whites with the gum bottoms to come out this year. Chime in, folks. Tell me what you think. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And that is right, ladies and gents. Bang that notification bell. Turn those post notifications on so you don't miss a beat. You know the motto by now. I'm wild, you wild, we all wild, baby. Stay fly, stay fresh, but most importantly, stay safe. It's your boy bigalkicks, aka the U Wild General, signing on out of here. Peace.